AP Statistics Quideo Chapters 1 and 2. Problem Basic. Scores on the Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale for the 20 to 34 age group are approximately normally distributed with a mean of 110 and a standard deviation of 25. For problem A, what percent of people ages 20 to 34 have IQ scores above 100? For the following problems, you're going to want to keep in mind the equation your z-score is your x minus the mean over your standard deviation. As the problem's given us, your mean is 110 and your standard deviation is 25. So for A, as it gives you 100, that's going to be your x. So you plug this into the problem, and once this is simplified, you're going to get negative 10 over 25 or negative 0.4. From there, you want to go to your z-chart, and you want to find negative 0.4, which gives you about 0.3446, or in percent, 34.46%. You're going to want to take this from 100, and you get 65.54% are above 100. Make sure to include this to answer the question fully. Question B. What percent have scores above 150? Again, that's going to be your x, so you plug it back into your problem with the same mean and the same standard deviation. You get 40 over 25, which simplifies to 1.6. You want to go back to your z-chart, but on the positive side. When you find 1.6, you're going to find 0.9452, or in percent form, 94.52. Again, you want to subtract this from 100, and you get about 5.48% are above 150. Again, make sure to include this to answer the question fully. How high an IQ score is needed to be in the highest 25%? This problem, you're going to want to work backwards. So, because you're looking for the 25%, you want to look at the other side of your graph. So, 100 minus 25% gives you 75%. Since you're working backwards, you go to the z-chart. You want to find the closest thing to 75. We found right here 0.68. From there, you're going to want it, that will be your z-score. And this time, you're solving for x. So you multiply 0.68 by 25, and you have x minus 10 equals 17. From there, you add it, and you have x equals 127. So you're going to need a 127 or above. There's your answers.